Alright, well, the piece of Dodge is being a real piece. Being a big pain in my ass is what it's being. I don't know if the wire is junk or what. I got it from Harbor Freight, so can't expect too much from it. Think on the rest of the welding, I might buy another spool of wire from like Home Depot or Menards or somebody. See if that kind of helps at all, because man, I just can't get a good weld for nothing. That's what I got the welder set at. I got my heat at 4. Wire speed, I've been playing around between 4 and like 6. Kind of in between there. Around 5-ish. Kind of seems to work the best, but man, what a frickin' mess. And then, of course, this bolt out here. Somehow, this got bowed out right here. This is bowed out here. This little bolt out right here, but I still gotta hammer this shit down yet. Up under there, and I still gotta do some shit with that stuff in there. Am I pleased how this door is turning out? Not really. I don't really care for it. And my dog's still loose running around. Hopefully he hasn't got ran over by a car or truck or some idiot. Nobody likes to stop at any frickin' stop signs in my neighborhood, so hopefully he ain't got ran over or something. But anyway, that's where I'm at. That's what's going on. I'm pretty much just gonna grind this rest of this stuff down. And I'm just gonna try to get these high spots worked down somehow. And then I'm just gonna glass it, mud it. And it is what it is. I'm gonna go try to find my dog. Peace out, people.